Today I'm going to show you how to create custom emails from names with Google Sheets. Substitute formula. This is incredibly useful when you need to generate email addresses for multiple people based on their names, especially for onboarding new team members or creating contact lists. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials for the workspace where your spreadsheet is stored. Once you've logged in, you should see your workspace dashboard with all your files and documents. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to create custom emails from names using the substitute formula. This will open up your Google Sheet and you'll be ready to start building your formula. Now, click on the cell where you want your first email address to appear. This is where the magic happens. You're going to type equals substitute, then open parenthesis. The substitute function is designed to replace specific text within a string, which in our case will be replacing spaces and names with nothing, creating a clean email format. After typing equals substitute and opening the parenthesis, click on the cell that contains the name you want to convert. This tells the formula which name to work with. Next, you need to add a comma, then type double quotation marks with a space inside them. This space is what the formula will look for and remove from the name. After that, add another comma, then close the parenthesis with a closing bracket. This completes the substitute portion of your formula, which removes any spaces from the name, but we're not done yet. Now you need to add an ampersand symbol. The ampersand is what connects the cleaned up name to your custom email domain. After the ampersand, type your custom email domain. For example, if you want to use sample.com, you would type @sample.com and make sure to put it inside double quotation marks. Once you've typed the complete formula, hit the Enter key to execute it. You should now see your first custom email address appear in that cell. Here's the really convenient part. You can now apply this formula to all the other names in your list without retyping it every time. Simply click on the cell containing your formula and you'll notice a small blue circle in the bottom right corner of that cell. Click and hold that blue circle, then drag it downwards across all the rows that contain names. As you drag, the formula will automatically apply to each row, generating custom email addresses for every name in your list. And there you have it. You've successfully created custom emails from names using the substitute formula in Google Sheets. This method saves you tons of time when dealing with large lists of names. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.